Ningbo KINGSEN was founded in 2006, specializes in the manufacturing of compressed sofas and polyurethane foam products, integrating R&D, design, mass production, sales and after-service. With over 20 years of development, KINGSEN has grown into an international company with more than 100 employees, a total plant area of 55,000 square meters, and annual sales exceeding $15 million. We have a complete set of foaming machinery, fixture lines, computerized sponge cutting machines, automatic adhesive machines, compression equipment, and testing instruments to enhance our technical capabilities. At the same time, we continuously enhance our internal quality control systems to ensure consistent product excellence. Supported by strong R&D and advanced management, KINGSEN delivers innovative, compressed furniture that reduces shipping costs while offering stylish, durable, and affordable solutions. With strong R&D capabilities, we have developed hundreds of products. Our core range includes foam raw materials and foam-based items, compression sofas, beanbag chairs, kidsofas, and more. Our compression technology reduces sofa packaging volume, saving up to 80% on shipping and warehousing costs. End users can easily restore the sofa to its original shape with no assembly. We have passed the BSCI factory audit, obtained OEK Standard 100 Europe certification, and hold multiple product test reports. Targeting the mid to high-end market, our products are sold throughout China and exported to the United States, Europe, Australia, Japan, and many other countries worldwide. Our facility is located at Ningbo, China, close to Ningbo and Shanghai Port, just 30 minutes from Ningbo Airport, and 2 hours from Shanghai Pudong Airport. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory for business discussions, and look forward to establishing a long-term partnership with you.